We'll solve one problem on this Lamis theorem. Find the weight that can be sustained by the string given that the permissible tensile strength of the string is 10 kilonewton in string AB. Also find out the force in string BC. So what they are saying, this weight W is supported by these two strings, the string AB and string BC. So they are saying that the maximum carrying capacity of this string AB is 10 kilonewton, and they asked us to calculate the load maximum weight W that can be applied to these strings AB and BC. So and also they are asking you to find out the force in the string BC if I apply the maximum weight W here. Okay, so let's first draw the free body diagram here. So free body diagram is nothing but showing all the forces without the body and just showing the force and direction. So here first we'll draw this three lines. So I have drawn three lines. One is AB, BC, and this is force W. Okay, so here we'll take tensile force away from the joint. So as we can see, this is thread or the string is in tensile force, and this BC is also in tensile force. They are in tension because of that we have taken this force acting in the away from the joint B. Now if I apply, as we can see, this is the in this body is in equilibrium. Okay, and they are only acted by three forces, that is force AB, force BC, and force W. Okay, so if I take that, so we can apply a Lamis theorem because all these three are concurrent forces acting in a same plane. So we can apply the Lamis theorem. According to Lamis theorem, what it says, the forces are proportional to each other, that is F by AB, force AB divided by sine of the angle between the other two forces, that is sine of other two forces is, this is 30 degree and this will be 90, that is sine 120. This is AB. Okay, and force BC, if I take force BC, the opposite angle is this one, that is 90 and 50, that will be sine 140, and W by, and if I add, this is 90 180, total 360 will be there, and if you calculate you will get this as how much, 100 degrees. Okay, this is 120 140, so it will become 260, and this will be 100, that is W sine 100. So now we know that they have said that the maximum force that can be applied here is 10 by sine 120 is equals to W by sine 100. So this can be written, and also we can also write it as FBC by sine 140. So what there was maximum force W. So if I equate only these first two terms, that is W by sine 100 is equals to 10 by sine 120. If you calculate, so what we get, W is equals to 100, that is 10 into sine 100 divided by sine 120. Okay, so we get this one, and let's calculate how much we get. So 10 into sine 100 divided by sine 120. So get the force as 11.37 kilonewton. And they are also asked the what is the force, also find the force in the string BC. So to calculate that, now we know this 10 by sine 120, and even we know W 11.37, so we can take any one. So we'll take this W by sine 100. Sine 100 is equals to FBC by sine 140. So FBC they have asked, so FBC is equals to W into sine 140 divided by sine 100. So we know we have got W as 11.37, so we'll substitute W as 11.37 into sine 140 divided by sine 100. So we get F is equals to force in the string BC is equals to 7.42 kilonewton. This is also tension. Okay, thank you.